Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel and I'm happy to have you here. So if you're new here, please like and subscribe and turn on your notification button so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll see it. So today we're going to talk about graphic designs and we're going to talk about how to make flyers with our phone using an app known as Canva. So if you want to know how to do it, let's dive into it. So go to your Apple Store or your Play Store and download Canva. When you open it, accept all cookies. Then continue with any of your accounts. Then click on continue. So choose any one you want. So this page will open. So these are the templates on Canva. So you can use them to do whatsoever you want. So you can do your flyers, posters, just anything, your logos. Has everything. So for this video, we'll go with flyers. Click on it and these are the templates for flyers. So choose any of them and that's it. So click on the image, delete image and replace it from your color. Or just click on the plus sign and take it to templates. Then type food. Then there are loads of them there. Just choose any of them. So we'll go with the chicken there. Fix it in. So we'll change the background color from that yellow to red. Click on food delivery, change the font, then change the font size. So click on today, change it to Mara. Edit it, click on edit and change it to Mara. Then you also click on that special edit, click on edit, then change it to kitchen. Alright, that's it. So change the font size of Mara, change it. Then change the color. Change the format. smaller size. And then move that one close to that icon. So change the color and the font size. Alright, then click on the plus sign to add Facebook. Search for Facebook on Element. Great, then resize it, fix it in. Then shift the other ones, the WhatsApp icon, shift it and the number so that it can enter what we are going to write for the Facebook. Alright, then click on text. Click on add a little bit of body to text. Change the color and the font. And edit. Write Mara's kitchen. Okay, change the font. Click on the plus icon and type leaf, then change it, reduce it. Okay, place it there. Okay, then check for position, take it backwards, then duplicate, then rotate it and move it to the other side, clip it there, then bring another leaf, place it there too, place here, then click on the plus icon and select text, change the color, then change the font, then edit the text to where meals taste best. Alright, okay, alright, change font size and color. Then click the three dots at the top of your screen to save your project in Canva. Then save it to folder. Get a new folder. Save it. Good. Then secondly, to save it to your phone, click on download the draft. Then it will start preparing your design. Then it's saved. And that's it. Wow, that was awesome. Like, you see, this is what I like about this app, Canva. Like, it makes you feel like a pro. Like, oh my god, you can do a lot of things. It's so easy to use. So I hope you learned something today. Please, if you have any question, just write it down in the comment section. I'll answer it. And also, please turn on your notification button so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll see it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.